You know the tiny panic you get when someone says AI agents are gonna change the future of work, and everyone around you is nodding like, yes, agentic workflows, of course. Meanwhile, your brain is like, ma'am, I just figured out how to use ChatGPT without saying please 47 times. That feeling, that is what I call quiet terror. Not full panic, not dramatic, some kind of a Bollywood kind of a breakdown, just that small internal voice going, oh no, am I already late to a party I didn't even know that was happening? And honestly, I get it. Because most AI content online sounds like it was made for developers, founders, and people who casually say things like, just connect the API and that MCP and get going. Just connect the API. I'm still emotionally recovering from connecting my printer. But here's the good news, you do not need to become an AI engineer. You need to become the person who knows how to direct AI, if you will. That is what I call agentic sovereignty. Very big phrase, I know, very LinkedIn. Sounds like it needs a blazer. But the meaning is very simple. AI should not be this scary. It should be your slightly overexcited junior teammate, the one who works fast, says done too confidently, and still needs you to check the work. Because you know the context, you know what good looks like, you know when something sounds wrong, weird, risky, or just, why did you write this like a government circular? That is your advantage. Your domain knowledge is not outdated. It's the instruction manual AI so desperately needs. So, no, you are not behind. You cannot keep watching AI from the sidelines like it is a cricket match and you forgot to bring snacks. Start with one workflow, one annoying task, one thing you repeat every single week and secretly kind of hate it. That is where AI confidence begins. Quiet terror ends when you realize you are not here to compete with AI, you are here to direct it. And if you're still here, I have a gift for you. I'm hosting a live workshop where I teach you how to build this.
My name is Jarvis, your personal assistant. How may I help you?
Hey Jarvis, good day. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you perfectly. A truly dazzling sight.
Oh, thank you. How much finger am I holding up?
You are holding up 5 fingers, a number quite standard for a human hand.
Right? Your own Iron Man Jarvis style AI assistant. I've already taught this to 300 plus students across three different batches and they loved it. So come, build it with me. Register now. The link is either down here or in my bio.